Mars, Mars, ebini. Enti we March bosomi. No so no. Because last year months and kakra, but you shall come back. Enti Mars, for example, you just see R5 was sound like an S, you know. Example no bini. So Mars, as the I sound like an S. Sanity. And can you design free as ya? I can sound like an like a K. And design was in the another design no infrared in yet no who send it. And you almost see no do as here. Now we know as sometimes it sounds like a Z. For example, casa. Mind you, I want to raise a confusion. No? In Castellano, Spanish mono, it's not a sound like one S sound like just the normal S. In Spanish, we casa, like casa, with the S sound. But in Catalano, a Z, casa, because one S. And the difference, sometimes a word Spanish and Catalan, I don't know. And we share Catalan, just a single S. More often, all language money and case sana dnetia no because rules are there so na rules be also no exceptions are there right and as no one is more often no sound like a z into casa which is house home casa za in Catalan sa and Castellano into Catalan no na and the neighbor will not casa no Catalan, but no, it's not right. It's not correct. It's a Z. It's casa because it's an S. And I say what double S no. We share double S. And no S sound like S. Whereas many example be with 3 more. See? And the we share double S. For example, Medjesa. See? For example, double S. Medjesa. See? Answer double S wa. It sounds like an S. Indeed. Medjesa is a doctor, a female doctor, right? Medjesa. A female doctor. Nino, ya baby I heard in humans and any other. Don't you worry, no why? We are very fine. Also double number wow. And Medjesa, we have the double S here. And it sounds like an S. So one S normally by and the sound like a Z. And the difference is Catalan alphabets no ne Spanish ne die no English die no kakra na aja UPP so and this ana no aba koye ewa no and double S and I say we have double L which sounds not exactly like a Y but you can replace it with a Y because double L no your pronunciation be a raro kakla like a weird kakra unfree unya native pa unya Catalan pa sometimes we pronounce among for a difference no akra dia but double L more or less what the why shower efa and for instance we have na yakuru kesi ya friend no Ghana ni bi anta po manyo we need jam friends are there but okay inti yen hedin na yen bie din inti din ni manye enye manyo no manye na double L no aba be y inti say o de y she bokura no a de bi adenti na wo say manyo what must o de y go sha akura no inti ni manyo mani so man ye double L no omo get to no e ko pem so ho na accident kakra bi asi nti accident no si o mo no ho sa no a ene de sa sound no ba no nti no the main vision of the class here is not to pronounce like the Catalans is to understand and to make ourselves understood too right must nti say e be kan omo kan ya ti ase your person kan mi na ma ti ase na mo so matima kan bi a kire o I don't know the main vision for Arabic way and yes you pronounce it paper to say No, that's not the point. Enti emane how. Enti ya de why sha hakura no one. Abema ye manuel instead of manure. Manure there exist wo baby a menim say Germany na Slovakia ho baby na kuro bi this area and they nim ho asem. Enti for instance manure. Say ya ka bem bale so you were and then akadia hen. Okay. Aka we issue a manfa amba. NY. Ashis. We issue ya dia obeshian bebre. NY. Obeshian bebre. On the sound no nyo. Nyo. For example, bang. 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 NY no na akosi achire no nti bang. Until the sound no NY no ma nyo sound bang bang agarie until no sana adno eno so atie e wo no and until no sound no difference e wo alphabet no Català die no ne Spanish one and English no more or less sounds no difference e wo no we no until the normal C no more often that sound like K until you wo Camel a C and so it sounds like a K. Now you have say trancada also. Say trancada the sound sign was here. It sounds like an S. And you have Max a C and so I sound like an S. See? And you have a single S. It sounds like a Z. We have Casa. See? Casa. It's a Z. And then we have the normal double S. In Catalan, it sounds like the S. Double S, no, the real S. It's like French too. And thinking about Megessa, because it's double S, so it has to sound like an S, a normal S. See? And then we have the double L. I say more or less, you can replace it with the Y, but it's not like that. It's not a Y, but more or less, we can replace it with a Y, which gives us Manleo. See, Manuel instead of Manuel, Manuel. See, and then we have the NY sound, which is nya, something like that, nya, like bang, bang, which gives you the sound of nya sound, so NY. Until now, you're sharing so. So difference ka krana a woman ye, until usha word na no who say South Africa say na one who say the bit my pronounce no afa. And then no me teach you yakese ade no enya de ne ntino ye kono kakra na ye betimi aye den abomoden atenete enti difference no mainly difference na e wo no mainly no we did the who we no mainly betimi atimi pronounce words bia ama yakoyani accents wo Catalan accents ye de to letters no so ni nyina no we because of time no kakra na ye wura ehonom eko and you go check comment section of obi o question bi ana bi ani a mehena se me answer no hana ma answer obi ani question bi ana ya hena ene no ye dia kwa kosi ha na emripa mu ya san atwa so because of this week ya san atwa so ma hwehwe days no na ya calendar no na obi anya no nti ase and ye ni na ana differences ewo alphabet no enini nti yan share no so me hwa comment section was a question bi o wa question bi enu ba ya behwe na ya de ne class no e de asia na ya peda for so na ya sen asia ya na wa follow me na bibi ani a what any notification no on na me ba live wa what me TikTok notify na just say so what me abedwane na ya na live message do bibi ase me of abrantie no say over down o of abrantie say na aja glory mo me squad bi down o ni na no nyina era mo ase kakra krasa oba na wa share na obi so anya bi ati me hwa comment section aba question bi enu ha me ba na ya di asia. abusua ame sɛ ɛnɛ deɛ obiara te aseɛ nti no yɛmfa nsi ha nnɛ na nyame yɛ adom a watumi aba amanfoɔ so amanneɛ na wafolo na watɛne notification no on yɛbɛwura mu biara no a tiktok bɛ notify wɔ na yɛ sɛ yɛde ahyehyɛ so ɛnɛ nti ɛnɛ yɛde bɛsi ha ɛda obi bi ase medin ne sɛ alfred nti biribiara ni a wobɛtumi afolo me na yɛatoa so na foforɔ yɛbɛsɛ yɛatoa so bio wobɛtumi afolo me na yɛatoa so na foforɔ non so come guardarlo, sabes?
Es que he visto com que... He vist com que hi havia un missatge.
De guardarlo?
Que no sé què, 10 minuts...
Sí, ho he vist, però no sé com guardarlo, saps? És una mica... L'altre dia vaig perdre el primer vídeo i jo què sé, tia. I avui té pinta, té pinta. Poder el perdo també. Merda, no sé què fer, tio. No sé què fer.
Hi ha la possibilitat de descarregar?
Sí, però s'ha de guardar-ho i ha de quedar en l'aplicació, saps? I...
Jo perquè no ho faig servir.
Ja, no. És que no hi ha manera, te juro.
Laura és l'única que sap fer servir el TikTok.
Sí? Vale, jo ja ho acabo ja.